Kinsta Hosting Review 2026. Most hosting companies promise speed, but very few actually deliver it. If your WordPress site is slow, crashing during traffic spikes, or constantly dealing with security problems, the real issue might not be your website. It might be your hosting. Today we're doing a complete deep dive into Kinsta Hosting. In this video, I'll explain what makes Kinsta different from normal hosting, real performance and infrastructure details, security and reliability features, who Kinsta is actually best for, and whether it's really worth the premium price. By the end of this video, you'll know if Kinsta is the right hosting for your website in 2026. And if you want to check their latest plans or try it yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below. Welcome to Best Offer Point, AI Deals, where we review the best hosting, tools, and technology to help you build faster, smarter websites. If you're building a blog, agency website, WooCommerce store, or high-traffic WordPress site, this channel helps you choose the right tools without wasting money. Now let's get started. What Kinsta actually is. First, let's understand what Kinsta actually is. Kinsta is premium managed WordPress hosting built on Google Cloud Platform infrastructure. That means instead of running on traditional shared hosting servers, Kinsta runs on the same global infrastructure used by companies like Google, Spotify, Snapchat, Coca-Cola. This cloud architecture is one of the biggest reasons why Kinsta is known for speed and reliability. Unlike traditional hosting companies, Kinsta focuses only on WordPress hosting. That specialization allows them to optimize their entire platform specifically for WordPress performance. Why many websites struggle with hosting. Before we dive into Kinsta's features, it's important to understand the problem many website owners face. Most budget hosting providers use shared hosting environments. That means hundreds of websites are placed on the same server. If one website suddenly receives high traffic or uses too many resources, it slows down every other website on that server. This causes problems like slow page loading, website downtime, security vulnerabilities, poor Google rankings. And if you're running an online business, these problems can directly impact revenue and user experience. This is exactly where premium managed hosting platforms like Kinsta come in. Section 3. Kinsta Infrastructure Explained. One of the biggest advantages of Kinsta is its infrastructure. Kinsta runs entirely on Google Cloud's premium tier network. This infrastructure provides ultra-fast global connectivity, high reliability, enterprise-level hardware. Instead of traditional shared hosting, Kinsta uses containerized technology powered by LXD containers. What does that mean? Each website is placed inside its own isolated container environment. This means every site has its own CPU resources, RAM allocation, PHP engine, database environment. This isolation improves both performance and security. Global data centers. Kinsta offers 27+ global data center locations. This allows you to host your website closer to your visitors. Some of the available regions include United States, Canada, Europe, Asia, Australia. Hosting closer to your audience reduces latency and loading time, which improves both user experience and SEO. Performance and speed. Now let's talk about performance. Website speed is one of the biggest ranking factors for Google and one of the biggest factors for user experience. Kinsta uses several performance technologies. 1. Edge caching. Content is cached closer to visitors worldwide, reducing load time significantly. 2. Advanced server caching. Unlike plugins, Kinsta caching works directly at the server level. 3. High-performance PHP workers. These help process dynamic requests faster. 4. Built-in CDN. Kinsta integrates with Cloudflare's global network to deliver static content quickly. 5. Performance monitoring tools. You can track performance metrics directly inside the dashboard. Section 6. Uptime reliability. Another major advantage of Kinsta is uptime reliability. Kinsta offers a 99.99% uptime SLA. Your site is monitored every 2 minutes, meaning over 700 checks per day. If downtime is detected, the system immediately begins investigation. This level of monitoring is especially important for e-commerce stores, membership sites, agencies managing client websites. Security features. Kinsta takes security extremely seriously. Security features include enterprise DDoS protection, 2 enterprise firewalls, malware scanning, automatic backups, SSL certificates, secure isolated containers. Because every site runs in its own container, if one website becomes compromised, it cannot spread to others. This is a major advantage compared to traditional shared hosting. Section 8. The MyKinsta dashboard. Kinsta also provides a very powerful management dashboard called MyKinsta. Instead of using outdated control panels like cPanel, Kinsta built a custom interface designed specifically for WordPress management. From this dashboard, you can create staging environments, monitor performance, manage backups, track analytics, control user access, manage DNS settings. This centralized interface makes site management much easier. Staging environment. One of the most useful developer tools is one-click staging. This feature allows you to clone your website into a staging environment where you can safely test, plug in updates, theme changes, new features without affecting your live website. Section 10. Automatic backups. Kinsta also provides automatic backups. Backups are created daily and stored securely. You can restore your site with one click if anything goes wrong. For businesses, this feature is extremely important because it protects against data loss. Free migrations. If you already have a website hosted somewhere else, Kinsta offers free professional migrations. Their support team will move your website for you. This includes files, database, configuration, and the migration is done with minimal downtime. Customer support. One of the most praised aspects of Kinsta is their customer support. Support is available 24/7 through live chat. And unlike many hosting companies, Kinsta support agents are WordPress specialists. That means they can help solve technical issues quickly. Section 13. Who Kinsta is best for. Kinsta is especially ideal for professional bloggers, high-traffic websites, WooCommerce stores, agencies managing client sites, SaaS platforms running on WordPress. Who Kinsta might not be for. Kinsta may not be the best option if you're launching your very first website. You have a very limited budget. You only need basic shared hosting. Because Kinsta is a premium hosting platform. Pricing overview. Kinsta's pricing is higher than typical shared hosting, but the pricing reflects premium infrastructure, performance optimization, security features, expert support. For many businesses, the improved speed and reliability justify the cost. Real-world performance. Kinsta serves over 3 billion monthly visits across its platform. Their infrastructure handles thousands of terabytes of data transfer each month. Many large websites rely on Kinsta because of its consistent performance under heavy traffic. Kinsta versus traditional hosting. Compared to traditional hosting providers, Kinsta focuses on speed, reliability, developer tools, enterprise infrastructure. Instead of trying to be the cheapest option, Kinsta focuses on delivering high-quality managed hosting. So is Kinsta worth it? If you want extremely fast WordPress hosting, enterprise-level infrastructure, strong security, expert support, then Kinsta is definitely one of the best premium hosting providers available today. If you want to check the latest Kinsta plans or try their hosting, I've added the link in the description below. And if this video helped you understand how Kinsta works, don't forget to subscribe to Best Offer Point AI Deals, because we regularly review the best tools, hosting platforms, and software to help you build better websites. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.